Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word Bukaki in depth. First, the definition. Bukaki means a Japanese term referring to a type of adult group activity involving multiple participants. Think of it simply as a specific genre term used in adult media. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Bukaki is a romanization of the Japanese word with origins in adult film genres since the 1980s. Over time, it's been used by fans and industry professionals alike. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use Bukaki in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The movie contained a scene depicting Bukaki, which some viewers found explicit. Correct example 2. In certain adult film discussions, Bukaki is a commonly referenced theme. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to Bukaki my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using Bukaki correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Bukaki means a Japanese term referring to a type of adult group activity involving multiple participants. It comes from adult film genre origins, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with Bukaki down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.